In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to trade with pocket option. Welcome to my new video, and I'm already logged in the trading platform of pocket option. You see it here. I'm logged in the live account, and you see the euro versus US dollar. This is a very popular asset to trade. You can change the assets here. You see you can trade commodities, stocks, cryptocurrencies and currencies. For me personally, I'm very familiar with the trading of currencies, so I'm using the euro US dollar for this example. So this is a typical chart. And in this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. So I will change my live account for this practice account just to show you how to do it. And let's start here. If you see the platform, this is a very clear platform. You can add some indicators like me. For example, I'm added the CCI indicator. You see it's very high at the moment. So it's possible that the market will do a correction. It will fall. But I'm using, for me, it's the best to use just technical analysis. What I mean by that, to use drawing tools. You can use here like trend lines. You can change the color. I will do this. And for example, this is a typical trend line. We can just add it here. So we see it's a clear uptrend in the euro US dollar. Also, you can change here the time frame. I'm using the M1 chart for short-term trading and the candlesticks. So this is the chart, and you can also use multi-charting like this, open more charts at one time. But for me, I only use one chart. It's I get a better overview. So how to trade with pocket options? Step 1, you have to make your analysis. I told you can use indicators and drawing tools, just technical analysis. And at the moment the euro US dollar was falling. Here was a clear downtrend. Now the downtrend is broken. I will show you that. I will use another trend line, add it here. Oh, this is a horizontal line. My mistake, I will use a trend line. So, and I will add this trend line here. And you can clearly see here was a clear downtrend. And the downtrend is broken by this movement of the chart. So here is a very, very strong correction at the moment. The market is rising and rising. I don't know how long it will rise. So we will have a look here, and then maybe we can make our trade if we see the market will reverse. So this is a very good sign here. You see this candle, with how's it called? It's like a doji in trading speech. And now I will go in here with $1. I just make it for you to practice. I set $1 just to show you how to trade. You see here the dashboard. You can use your expiration time of the option. So I choose M2 for my personally trades, and you can open here trades, and you see how long the trade is going. You see it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. And I put the short trade, a lower trade. You see it here clearly. And this is a very good sign here for me to enter the trade. A good correction. We see the CCI is above, and we see a very good pin candle here. The market is dropping. Also, we have here a small resistance area here, but it's not so important. Just look at the candles at the moment, and you can interpret this correctly, because you see very, very rising in the chart. And the CCA also at a very high level. So if you see a sign the market will reverse, we go in here directly. And that's all what I did here in this chart. I trade against the correction of the downtrend. You see it, I marked it here for you. And yeah, this is a very good trade. We see 30 seconds left and the trade goes down. I only invested $1 on this practice trade for you. $1, you see it here, and I'm earning $1.92. So yeah, the trade will go in the winner zone. I entered the trade here after this candle, and we see a drop in the market, a very nice correction. If you ask me, you clearly see this on my indicators, and that's all. I won the trade. Very good trade here for your first profit in the demo account. And yeah, continue demo trading. You know, I trade live here on this account, on my other account, and you see the win is clearly done. 92 cents. Yeah, I won here. You see the result, $1 and yeah, 92% of yield. So if you click here, for example, you see the different yields and yeah, return of your investment you can earn here. And so easy is it to trade with pocket option. I showed you some tricks in this video, yeah, for trading with a very easy strategy. For example, if you see a correction, just yeah, watch the candle, and you see here this is a very good pin candle. I will mark it again for you so you can easily understand it. What I did here. First of all, I use the Euro S dollar in the 1 minute chart. I analyzed the market. I said we had a downtrend here. This is a correction. Here was a break of the trend line. We got a correction, and what we also got is here a high CCI. So I waited for a correction of the market, and I saw it directly here. The market did the correction here with the pin candle, and this is a very good sign to trade downwards. Yeah, and yeah, this is all what I did. And yeah, a very short trade on the 1 minute chart. It's so easy. Yeah, it's just easy. Just watch my other trading video where I traded in the live account. I can swap to the live account. Here you see in my last video I did a very good profit in my live account. And yeah, I also, yeah, in addition I could do it here in my live account, but I didn't do it for you, just for the video. And that was it. How to trade with pocket option step by step. You will find the registration link in the description below. Also the full review of pocket option. Just click through it, and if you didn't open the account, click in the description below and you can read more information about this blogger. So that was my video for today. Happy trading, and I hope you now know how to trade with pocket option. It's not so difficult. And yeah, that was my video. Goodbye.